Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I make green tikka mint chutney. This chutney goes really well with paneer tikka, hara bhara kebab or roasted potatoes or any sides of your choice. So first you need thick curd or yogurt. So if you have thin curd or watery curd, just hang it for few hours in a cheesecloth and then use it. So we need almost a bowl full of thick yogurt. We also need fresh mint leaves, cilantro or coriander leaves, garlic cloves, green chili and salt to taste. So for this recipe I'm gonna use pestle and mortar, but you can go ahead and use food processor and or blender. But I like the bits of mint, cilantro and garlic in my chutney, so I'm gonna make it this way. So here I've added 20 to 25 fresh mint leaves. I'm also gonna add almost a handful of fresh cilantro to it, which is thoroughly washed and cleaned. I'll try and crush both of them well. I'm also gonna add 3 cloves of garlic one by one and crush them as well. So I'm gonna add salt to taste. You'll notice that when you add salt, the paste becomes softer. And I'm adding green chili as well. If you like more heat, you can add more green chili. So once you reach the desired consistency, just put this green mixture in the curd and mix well. Such a beautiful green color. So if the yogurt is not sour enough, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to it. So the chutney is ready. Enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Bye.